Hi, good morning everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we're going to do the drawing for the free earring giveaway. We had over 100 people enter, so I'm going to use a tool on YouTube which will randomly do the drawing, and I'm going to apologize in advance. I want to show you the screen for the drawing, but there is quite a bit of reflection on there, but I do want you to see the actual drawing, so forgive the reflection. Here we go. As you can see, we're just going to push the button and it's going to pick the winner. Here we go. And the winner is Joanne May Anthony. Yay. Oh, and Joanne doesn't want to do the contest, so we'll pick another winner. Well, thanks anyway for joining us, Joanne. There we go. Judge Judy rocks. Oh no, she took a cruise in January and they lost all her luggage. Well, I guess you do deserve the earrings. Okay, so we will send out an email to you, Judge Judy rocks. Please respond back and we'll get your address and send the earrings out. Thank you so much for everybody who entered the contest and all my new subscribers. I can't wait to get to know you better. And please look for upcoming videos. We've got some new cruise videos coming up and lots of Roaming with Rover, touring the country videos. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye-bye.